This is my yoga room slash altar slash meditation space, all the things, and I am excited to take you guys on a little tour, so let's jump right in. So over on this wall here, I have a cute little moon mirror that I thrifted. I will link the thrift haul that is from in the description so you can watch it. And then I also thrifted this cute little shelf here. On the shelf, I have a cute little Himalayan salt heart that my friend gave me. I have a little bottle of crystal chips, some essential oils, a little plant, a little Buddha, and then this feather that I've had for years and years and years, so I thought that would be perfect there. I have a bunch of malas and rosaries. There's a couple necklaces on here that I made myself. So I wanted a place to store all of my spiritual beads, and this was perfect for it. And I love this. So just below our little shelf here, I have a gorgeous house plant. I don't remember the name of it. I'm horrible with my plant names, but I love having some life in my altar area. It just gives it such a good fresh energy, so I love this gorgeous plant. And then down on the ground, I have 2 yoga mats just stacked on top of each other because I like the extra padding when I do some intense poses and stuff. And then we have our beautiful little dresser here. This dresser I actually got online from TJ Maxx for like super cheap. There is a little knob missing. I have to get myself one. I could not find it in the box when I got it, but whatever. It works. So I'll start from the bottom. Down here underneath is just kind of storage space for me. I have these really cute little Mercury retrograde throat chakra candles. These come in handy during the retrograde when communication is off, and also if you just need to balance your throat chakra. So I made quite a few of these, and they're just chilling underneath here. And then on the other side, I have another one, but these are for your heart chakra, so they are green. And I have a few of those hiding under there too. And then I just have a yoga block here to help assist in some new yoga poses that I try. On the first shelf, we have my famous typewriter. I absolutely love this typewriter. I don't use it super often, so I wanted to put it out in the open where I would see it, so hopefully I will use it more this year. On this side, I just have 2 adorable little planter pots. This one just stores some extra crystals, and this one stores a bunch of incense sticks, smudge sticks, all kinds of stuff. Most of these are actually from the swap I just did with Natasha, so I'll link that down below if you haven't seen that. And then we have inside the dresser drawers, these are not drawers, just kidding, inside the dresser doors we have a bunch of storage space. So over here I have my Reiki Binder. I'm a Reiki master, so I have all sorts of notes and things from my trainings. And then I have a bunch of just spiritual books that I like to keep around. I have a sketchbook. This is a tarot book. This is another like spirit animal book. I have my Buddha book from Natasha, May Cause Miracles, a notebook, a yoga journal, my old meditation journal, and then the crystal Bible, gotta have that. Next to it, I have this cute little organizer that just stores all of my business cards and cute little things like that for businessy things. And then on top of it, I keep all of my oracle deck and tarot deck boxes, and then like little books and stuff if I ever want to use them. And then next to that, I have this gorgeous Buddha head. This guy has been on my Depop store for quite a while, but I wanted to give him lots of love, so I stuck him on my altar, or in my altar, I guess. Behind Buddha is just a big, tall glass vase full of crystals and stuff that I like to grid with. And then this basket here holds a bunch of random goodness. This is actually a notebook that was gifted to me by one of you guys. I'll link the video in the description. If you guys can tell how detailed and gorgeous that is, I want to display this, so I'm gonna hopefully get a nice shadow box and hang it on the wall. And then I also keep a bunch of samples here. I do aerial yoga and aerial silks, so I sell the fabric that we use, and I just have a bunch of color samples. There's also net samples. There's aerial, like aerial net or whatever you want to call it. So keep those in there in case anybody wants to get one. And that is what I store inside my altar. Now up top I have lots of goodies to show you. So on this side I have a cute little plate that I thrifted with a candle in it. This was actually from my last full moon ritual, so I have to plant these seeds and burn the leaves to do that. I have this cute little Buddha guy that I also thrifted. This is a what is this? This is an intention jar for 2019, so that will be filling up as the year goes on. And then I have a candle holder back here that I'm sure you guys have seen before. I have this gorgeous crystal right here. This is just an agate, and I absolutely love it. And then this is a card of the cycles of the year for in the sky. I absolutely love that little cheat sheet. This is my new meditation notebook, which you guys have seen. It's not super new, but I hope to fill more in it this year. I didn't use it a whole lot last year, so that's why it's right in front, in the middle of my altar to make me use it. And just behind that, I have this cute little cup that I thrifted, and it has my sage inside. In the middle, I have this gorgeous tapestry that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe, for like $6 or something crazy, so I love that. I need to trim that piece, it's driving me nuts. And then over on the side here, I have my updated little money altar ritual thingy. I vlogged about this in Vlogmas a little bit, so I will link it down below, but yeah, this is my new abundance like altar right up in here. So just updated that. And then I have my pyrite crystal for abundance. I have a gorgeous little amethyst piece, and then a celestite that is from Natasha. This little piece right here was gifted to me by a family friend. And then I have this beautiful selenite lamp that I love. And then of course in the back I have that matching candlestick stand holder thingy. That is my actual altar. Love her. And to the side I have these giant candle holders that I don't have candles in. I'm a little too nervous about it. So they're just here looking pretty, and I absolutely love these. These were another thrift find of mine. So definitely check out your thrift store for altar stuff, you guys. They've got it all. In the back, I just have a few pillows in case I am chilling and want some, you know, something comfy to sit on, or if I have friends over that want to come meditate too, they have something to sit on. And then this is my trunk here. So this is kind of where I practice daily. This is more of like moon rituals and like, you know, more intense kind of stuff like that. This is for my daily practice, so I keep all of the things that I use on a daily basis over here. In the trunk itself, I currently store a bunch of craft supplies, but I'm going to be moving them soon. I'm very excited to give them a new home. So yeah, it's kind of complicated with all of this stuff on it to get inside of here, so I'm excited to move those soon. But let's dive into what's on here. So I have a random oracle card just chilling, hey. This is my gorgeous bottle of lavender. I definitely recommend having some lavender around. It is just, oh, it smells so good. And then I have my cute little, why can't this focus right for you guys? And then I have this cute little jar full of matches. I could not think of the word for the life of me. And back here I have a joy candle. This is difficult to film, you guys. So I actually just found this gorgeous piece today at the thrift store, and it was definitely supposed to be a bell, but I still think it is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, so I have that right up front here. I think I have just some herbs stashed away in this little drawer because I don't use them very often, so that's where they live. On this first shelf here, I have an adorable Buddha little chime. I have this gorgeous Buddha bell for cleansing with sound. If you guys haven't gotten into that, you definitely should this year. It is so magical. And then next to that chime, I have this cute little goddess that I made out of clay, and she is holding some crystals and she's sitting next to some amethyst and some fluorite, so I love this little shelf here. Moving up, I just have my tarot cards. This is a gorgeous chunk of citrine. It is a heat-treated citrine, but I still love her. And a protection candle. This is for the solar plexus. That is also from Natasha. She's all over the place. Love her. At the very, very top, I have a beautiful chunk of clear quartz and a little bottle of clear quartz sitting on an agate piece. And then up here, I just have some more oracle cards. I love these. They're beautiful. Look at that. Unicorn. Love her. Down here I have my little elephant candle holder that I thrifted, and this in the middle. So this notebook is my daily notebook that I always journal in, whether I'm doing May Cause Miracles or I just am doing a daily card reading. I write all of the goods down in here, so I just leave that in the middle. And then over to the side, I have a gorgeous crystal that I love. She's a beaut. She's nice and sparkly, and I made that clay little stand that she's sitting on. I love it. It's so cute. Then I have my Tibetan singing bowl sitting on this elephant little holder that I thrifted, and I'm obsessed with it. If you can tell, I love elephants. And then I have this free spirit little picture in the back. I think I got that from the dollar store, actually. And then up here I have this really cute organizer that I also thrifted, and I just keep a bunch of crystals and fun things in here. These are all shells from Natasha that I did that swap with. And then this is just a really pretty crystal grid, some more crystals from Natasha, a sage bundle from Natasha. These are some selenite pieces, my little Buddha candle from the Lady of Light box that I did. This is just a picture of a intense card spread that I did one time. These are my crystals for gratitude, a little Buddha from Natasha. This is from an unboxing that I did a long time ago. This is a pink aura quartz crystal, and then a really pretty matchbox that I just wanted to leave out on display. So yeah, all my little trinkets and goodies in there. But this is what this space looks like. This is where I do my daily practice, and then of course my mat where I do my yoga. So that is my space, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for things to add or anything like that, let me know. If you have a video of your sacred space, I would absolutely love to see it. Definitely leave it down in the comments below. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. That outro was a little rough, so here I am fixing it later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any help or guidance or inspiration for decorating your own sacred space in your home, I have already filmed a video on how to create a space of your own. If you want to join our spiritual online course, we also talk about different ways to set up your sacred space in our spiritual community, so I will leave both of the links for those in the description so you can check them out. Make sure to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe to become part of the tribe for more spiritual videos like this one. And yeah, I love you guys to the moon and back. I will see you in my next video. Bye!